You down with PPM?
Yeah, you know me.
You down with PPM?
Yeah, you know me.
Hold up.
Me?
Do you even know what PPM means?
Actually, no.
PPM, I can explain it. Prepaid maintenance program where you can save money.
Did somebody say savings?
I did. 2 years of maintenance that requires oil change, tire rotation, a car wash, a vacuum, and much, much more. Also, our bonuses come with $1 inspections, alignment check, a battery check, and also a health check.
Did you say a $1 inspection?
Also, 24-hour roadside assistance,
Battery jumpstart, tire service, and lockout protection? What?
and you get $300 worth of coupons.
Free money?
This is all value for $1,996, but guess what? This is only for $409.
409?
409, 409, 409. Only at Hillside Toyota.